Oh my god, man, Culture King was not joking when they said they're gonna send your boy a care package, man. I'm gonna show you guys everything that they sent over, and just off first looks, off of first impression, everything looks super dope, and it's going perfect with this upcoming fall and winter season, man. And they're giving back to you guys as well. Use the code TheVintage, get you free shipping on your entire order. And I'm gonna say, once you see some of the clothes that they sent over, man, you go ahead and share over there and try to add them to cart and check out. Just use that code TheVintage and get yourself some free shipping. After we break down everything that they sent over, we also gonna have a GOAT sneaker unboxing, a grill pickup of mine, damn near under retail pickup from the GOAT app. I really love the GOAT app, you guys already know. So without further ado, let's jump right into everything Culture King sent over for your boy. Make sure whatever you like, use that code TheVintage in your checkout. Get yourself free shipping on whatever you cop. Alright guys, check it out. You already know, to complete my fits, I'm always rocking a hat. You know what I'm saying? Regardless if I got a haircut or not. Like, I'm wearing a hat. That's just your boy TheVintage. You know what I'm saying? They sent over 3 hats. Got the brown and I got the white and blue GOAT Crew hat. And of course, you know what I'm saying, I'm rocking out with the Lakers this year. LeBron definitely about to get his 5th ring, you feel me? And I'm gonna rock out with this Michelin-esque Los Angeles Lakers cap. Guys, please do not mind my collar. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, but here it goes. Brown corduroy jacket, perfect for this fall winter season. You're gonna see a bunch of dope fits. I'm telling y'all, brought to you by Culture Kings, man. I really do appreciate them sending this over. And check it out, you know, we gotta rock it out with that camo puffer jacket, very fire. I have to say this one a little bit later, probably deep November, early December, to rock this one right here. And then a bunch of flannels that I'm about to show you guys. This one right here got a little trim of red in there, got the fur around the collar. Gonna be a super dope fit, I'm telling you guys. And then we have this joint right here, my favorite one. I think I kept this on for the remainder of the video if I'm not mistaken. Super comfortable, and it's a dope colorway in my opinion, man. And then a Nirvana tee, you can't go wrong with a Nirvana tee right here. Wear this with any, I see like 3 stickers behind me that I can rock. And then RIP to DMX. I had nothing to, you know, kind of remember him. So definitely sending this shirt over for me was super clutch, man. I really do appreciate them for sending this over. And you guys already know I'm a huge LeBron fan. I seen this in the package and I literally almost lost my mind. It's my first time ever having the 03-04 Swingman jersey with LeBron. So I was super excited for them to send this over. I really do appreciate it. And then we have the tote bag, Culture Kings right here. Throw it to the gym, put your sneakers, put your basketball, whatever you want, towel, dry off, all that good stuff. Culture Kings bag, can't go wrong with it. And last but not least, we have the sneaker levitation system, super dope, brought to you by Culture Kings. Everything will be linked down below. Go give them a follow and check them out. All right, you guys already know I'll rock out with the GOAT app heavy. You just see me doing an unboxing over the Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Reds, aka the McDonald's. And there's another Air Jordan 1 that I picked up. Before that one, I just randomly picked the box. I just knew it came from GOAT. And I have one more sneaker from the GOAT app that I have to unbox to you guys. Just know your boy's been going crazy with these Air Jordan 1s. Trying to get my collection, my Air Jordan 1 collection at that. Look like the homie, the Retro Wiz Kids. He has like damn near 200 pair of Air Jordan 1s. It's crazy. I don't know if it's 200, maybe I'm over exaggerating, but he has a bunch. A crazy amount of Air Jordan 1s, man. So shouts out to the homie. I'm trying to get like you, dog. So today I'm gonna show you guys the Air Jordan 1s that I just recently picked up from the GOAT app. You guys do not know, man, GOAT app sells used sneakers. They sell brand new sneakers. They even sell brand new sneakers with defects. It's super self-explanatory to use, and you can sell your sneakers as well, man. So let's go ahead and open the box up, man. As you guys seen, like I said, Air Jordan 1s. I don't know what it is. The resale price has not been as crazy as it used to be. I remember about 2-3 years ago, a pair of Air Jordan 1s like this would be going for around $300. And that's kind of like my projection right now. But most of these Air Jordan 1s that you see like going for under 200. We was talking about it on a live stream the other day. The Air Jordan 1 Pollens, how they only going for like 170, 180 bucks. That's definitely a sneaker within a couple of years is going to gain some resale value. The demand for that sneaker is going to go up tremendously, which rises that resale value. But pretty much every single sneakers that's been releasing, the resale value has not been that crazy, which is a kind of a good thing for us sneakerheads out there, man. So let's go ahead and open the box, man. As soon as I pop this joint open, you guys are going to know exactly which Air Jordan 1s these are. So let's go ahead and get it open real quick, man. And yes, sir, you see the white and purple Air Jordan 1 box. Let's go ahead and get these things out of here real quick. Also want to give a huge shout out to GOAT for the good packaging. You know what I'm saying? The sneakers ain't moving around, your shoes ain't coming all crazy, and the box is not come beat up, man. So shout out to GOAT for that. Let's read the official color real quick. Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, white and court purple. Got these in the size 10.5. These were a woman's exclusives, of course. And you guys should already know which Air Jordan 1s these are. So let's go ahead and take the lid off. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We finally have them here in the collection. The women's Air Jordan 1 Court Purple, man. Came in like a metallic pack. You guys know I have the midnight navy pair and I have the metallic red pair, but I had to add these to the collection. Definitely get a lot of dope fits out of these right here. You guys kind of see the good leather quality around the entire sneaker, which, you know, I gave props to the last Air Jordan 1s we unboxed. The Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Reds, the quality was crazy, but these right here, the quality is probably, you know what I'm saying, damn near the same, if not better, on the women's pair. I don't know what that's about, but the quality on these joints, the leather is super nice. You also kind of get this like satin type material, and I believe the Air Jordan 1 Bread Patents that's coming out later this year has the same kind of like satin type feel material on the inner, and it has something like inscribed or embroidered into the actual work on the inside of the sneaker. You also get an extra set of laces with these purple laces. Check it out, check it out. But just look at the sneaker, you know what I'm saying, doing a quick little spin around, a little 360 of the shoe. Everything about this sneaker is just very, very good. You guys know we don't always get that crazy material, that crazy good premium leather on the Air Jordan 1s. For example, the Air Jordan 1 prototypes that we just got this last week, the leather quality was super flat. You didn't have any like tumbleness to it, but you get sneakers like this and the Light Fusion Reds, and they just go crazy with the leather. I don't know what that's about. Maybe it's the manufacturer, maybe it's about where they made it. I could not tell you. But these right here, I'm gonna give you guys some nice B-roll over the entire sneaker. You guys are gonna see that nice quality going around the entire Air Jordan 1 women's Court Purples. And there was also a lot of talks going around last year when we was getting all those women's Air Jordan 1 exclusives. The quality on their pairs was always like buttery. Even the GS sizes for regular releases was way better than the men's pair. I don't know what that was about. Getting these right here was a must. I did an early review. Shouts out to True North SA for letting me get that early look on the channel. But once I seen them at hand that day, I was like, yo, even if I take an L on release date, I'm definitely copying these Air Jordan 1 Court Purples. I don't know yet if I'm gonna throw the purple laces or keep the white laces in there. I think I'm gonna keep it just like my red metallics and my navy metallics with the white laces, just to really allow that purple Nike swoosh, that purple metallic Nike swoosh to pop with some of the outfits and some of the pictures that we throw up on IG. Again, man, shouts out to the GoDaddy for the fast shipping. I bought these, I don't know the exact date, but I know it only took a week for me to get the sneaker. They shipped directly from a store. I don't know what store it was. I know you guys probably know what I'm talking about if you ever purchase sneakers from GoDaddy, but direct stores like send their shoes straight to GOAT to sell them, and I got these joints in a week. And I know the resale isn't too crazy, but the quality, the colorway was definitely a must for me to grab these joints and add them to the collection. I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. Shouts out to Culture Kings, man, for sending over all of that dope clothing. They sent over a dope levitation sneaker system. Very, very dope. I really do appreciate it. Use the code TheVintage at your checkout. Get yourself some free shipping. Shouts out to Culture Kings, man. I will link all the information down below in the description box. Y'all let me know if I need to slow down with these Air Jordan 1 pickups. There's gonna be a lot more coming soon. Tell y'all, grab all these Air Jordan 1s that you see under $200, like the Pollens, like these purple metallics, like the Light Fusion Reds now, because within a year or so, I'm telling y'all, the resale value is gonna be way above $300, man. Mark my words. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all the love and support. That's it for today's video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.